You may live abroad, but your future could be anywhere. India, US, UAE, or maybe even back home in retirement. But where should your money grow? NRI Portfolio by RupeeRakshak helps you build wealth that's ready no matter where life takes you. NRIs like you often get trapped in poor performing bank products, random tips from friends or relatives, or overexposed to just one market or currency. That's risky. You need global diversification, low cost, and full compliance. RupeeRakshak's NRI portfolio is designed just for NRIs, not HNIs, not locals. It blends both INR and USD based investments, so you build wealth in the currency you will actually spend in later. Depending on where you plan to settle or use the money, we guide you on whether to invest in INR, USD, or both. Through our Singapore-based global investment platform partner, you get access to US stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, gold, commodity, even forex. ESOPs and RSUs moved into your new global demat account. INR investments in India, debt, equity, and mutual funds. Already invested? We can verify how your current funds are doing and whether they need a fix. Every portfolio we build is regulatory compliant both in India and in your country of residence. And we don't stop there. We assist with tax planning and filing through our empaneled CA firms in India and overseas. You focus on growth, we handle the backend. No hidden cuts, no commissions, no forced products. Go to RupeeRakshak.com NRI portfolio, fill out the quick form and get your custom plan in 3 working days. Invest globally, stay rooted with NRI portfolio by RupeeRakshak.